Thank you guys so much for 50 subscribers. And it's kinda cool though that a very good update, in my opinion, has came to Animal Company. And I'm gonna go for some of those lava rocks. So yeah. And now the lava rocks spawn up in the normal layers. I heard that there was a new ore, but I don't know what it would be, because it's just the lava blocks that have come up here. Yeah, now they spawn up here, so... But there's this weird glitch where you can just see under the map, but you can't see the rest of the map for some odd reason. It's the weirdest glitch about this update. Like I said, in my opinion, this is the best update that's ever came to Animal Company. But by the way, I figured out that the best spot to find them is like over here. I mean, hopefully it doesn't... It takes a while for this update to leave, in my opinion, so... But I'm pretty sure the lava rocks sell for a bit less now. I mean, I could be wrong, but they would sell for like 700, like 800 or something. But now they sell for a bit less because I sold 2 before, but it only gave me 1,000. So yeah. But the bunker doesn't even really have any updates, though, by the way, so... But the spider can literally just walk on lava. It, like, has no problem. Ow. And you can move quicker now. I don't know why, but you can. Like, they changed the movement a bit. But I do kind of wish they did a bit more. And also, the lava was quite a bit higher before. And I will start doing live streams, though, when I figure out how to. So, yeah. It just looks so odd that they did this part, though. Like, that is the oddest looking part in my opinion. I do wonder with this glitch, you just... No, you can't. I mean, I guess it would be cool to do a Floor's Lava challenge with this. Wonder why they added a rock over here, though. And you can get so much money by just putting them in a nut shredder. I don't even know how I got damaged. But they used to have it all around. They used to have it over here. It was like all over here. That's probably why they still have a rock over here. Oh, shoot. Wait, let's go see if it costs less now for just one lava rock. Or if it has a different name. What? So odd. Oh, sell that one thingy. Not shredder. So yeah, like I said, it gives you so much money when you just do that. But let's see how much just one of these lava rocks can give you now. Because I'm pretty sure they made it sell for less. If only they added like a volcano. Yeah, they sold for a little bit less. Well, that's neat to know. But see you guys in the next one.